cloudy skies. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. For today and tonight, a winter storm warning is in effect tonight. Please see the latest winter weather message for additional information. And now the extended outlook for the period Wednesday through Monday. A winter storm warning is in effect through Wednesday morning. Please see the latest winter weather message for additional information. Another large winter weather storm system is expected to impact the region late Thursday through Sunday. Additional accumulating snow is likely and icy precipitation is possible. Spotter information statement. Spotters and snowfall observers are urged to report snowfall amounts to the National Weather Service. Holiday travel will be significantly impacted Tuesday night and Wednesday due to heavy snow and blowing snow. A winter storm warning is now in effect for most of central Minnesota and all of southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. The warning includes areas along and east of a line from Madison to Little Falls, Minnesota, and is in effect this evening through Wednesday morning. Snowfall totals of 6 or more inches are likely in the warned area, with amounts of 9 to 12 inches expected from Fairmont through Mankato and the Twin Cities to Rice Lake, Wisconsin. In addition, gusty northeast winds Tuesday night will shift to the northwest Wednesday, resulting in areas of blowing snow. Travel will be significantly impacted through at least Wednesday morning. A winter weather advisory is now in effect this evening into Wednesday morning for Morris, Glenwood, Alexandria, and Long Prairie, where snowfall amounts of 2 to 5 inches are expected. Snow will rapidly develop across southern Minnesota after 5 p.m. today and spread northeastward across southern Minnesota into central Minnesota and west central Wisconsin through midnight. The snow will be heavy at times tonight. Snow will end from west to east Wednesday morning, but blowing snow could continue into the afternoon. Now the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area today: cloudy, near steady temperature in the mid-30s. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Tonight, breezy, snow. Patchy blowing and drifting snow overnight. Snow may be heavy at times. Snow accumulation of 9 to 11 inches. Near steady temperature in the lower 30s. North winds 15 to 25 miles an hour. Gusts up to 40 miles an hour overnight. Chance of snow near 100%. Wednesday, breezy. Snow in the morning. Patchy blowing and drifting snow in the morning. Snow accumulation of 1 to 2 inches. Near steady temperature in the upper 20s. Northwest winds 15 to 25 miles an hour. Gusts up to 40 miles an hour in the morning. Chance of snow near 100%. Wednesday night, colder. Partly cloudy. Lows around 14. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, becoming north around 5 miles an hour overnight. And now, the extended forecast. Thanksgiving Day, mostly cloudy. A 20% chance of snow in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 20s. Thursday night, not as cold. Cloudy with a 50% chance of snow, possibly mixed with freezing rain. Lows in the mid-20s. Friday, snow, possibly mixed with freezing rain. Snow accumulation around 3 inches. Highs in the mid-30s. Chance of precipitation 80%. Friday night and Saturday, rain and snow. Lows in the lower 30s. Highs in the upper 30s. Chance of precipitation 90%. Saturday night, snow, possibly mixed with rain in the evening, then snow overnight. Lows in the upper 20s. Chance of precipitation 80%. Sunday, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of snow. Highs near 30. Sunday night, colder. Mostly clear. A 20% chance of snow in the evening. Lows around 14. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 20s. Again, the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area for today: cloudy. Near steady temperature in the mid-30s. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. The Twin Cities, Minnesota climate summary for yesterday, November 25th, 2019. Yesterday's high temperature of 45 degrees occurred at 12:10 p.m. The record high is 62 degrees, which was set in 1914. Yesterday's low temperature of 37 occurred at 7:47 a.m. The record low is minus 18 degrees, which was set in 1880. No precipitation fell yesterday. No snow fell yesterday. The normal high temperature for today is 35 degrees, and the normal low is 20. The record high for today is 62, which occurred in 1914, and the record low is minus 16, which occurred in 1977. Sunrise today is at 7:24 a.m., and sunset is at 4:36 p.m. This is weather radio station KEC 65 Minneapolis, St. Paul, on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz, serving listeners throughout much of east central Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. We broadcast from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota, and transmit from the KSTP Eyewitness News Television Tower in St. Paul. The current time is 9:22 a.m. Central Standard Time.